Jingle balls, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to play when your testes aren't in pain. Hey! I'm Dr. Susie Gronski, pelvic health physical therapist, sexuality counselor, and educator. And in this video, we're taking a look at why getting hit in the balls is so gut-wrenching. For some, kids, don't try this at home. And for others, a turn on. Say what? Before we dive in, a quick note. Impact play is any erotic activity involving controlled hitting, striking, or pressure to the body for sensation arousal or power exchange. And today, we're talking specifically about genital impact play involving the testicles.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby.
The scrotum is the sac that holds and supports your testicles. Inside are two testes, round, smooth structures that feel like an olive in olive oil. And they're responsible for producing sperm and testosterone. Think of it like the North Pole, where all the toy-making magic happens. To understand their vulnerability, we need to understand the anatomy. Each testicle is suspended by supportive layers of fascia that anchor it to the scrotal sac. So, that means your balls don't jingle and jangle all over the place. And on top of each testes sits a coiled tube called the epididymis, where mature sperm are stored. And that connects to the vas deferens, a firm, al dente noodle that carries sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct, waiting for their big debut. Then there's the nerve situation. Nerves from your lower back and pelvis and autonomic nervous system all converge here like Christmas carolers harmonizing at your testicles. And fun fact, during fetal development, the testes start high in the abdomen and slowly sled down into the scrotum. Because of that descent, the testicles come equipped with their own temperature regulating system, the cremaster muscle, which is a continuation of your internal abdominal oblique. It lifts the testes when, baby, it's cold outside, and lets them hang low when the chestnuts are roasting on an open fire. And since your testicles house some pretty precious goods, like your baby-making DNA and your primary testosterone factory, it's no wonder any mishap makes you cringe. Even hearing about someone getting whacked in the nuts makes most men do the full-body wince and cup their package. But not all testicle havers fear ball busting. Some people are aroused by the idea or act of having their balls busted. And no, I don't mean your buddy teasing you. I'm talking about a kink under cock and ball torture, a form of genital impact play. For some folks, the mix of pain, pressure, anticipation, and power dynamics activates the same nervous system pathways that can amplify arousal. Totally normal, totally human. Examples include squeezing the testicles between the hands or feet, tightly binding or stretching them, striking them with a whip or a paddle, or even stomping or kicking. Impact play can be exciting, intense, and erotic when done with clear boundaries, consent, and the ability to tap out at any point. There's also a difference between informed pain sensations that are intense but expected and injury pain, which is your body yelling, "Stop!" Now, if you're someone who does enjoy this type of play or you're kink curious, here's how to keep your jingle bells jingling safely. Communicate your boundaries clearly. Talk about the type of ball play you're looking to explore. Start slowly and build up gradually. Set time limits for binding, since prolonged compression can restrict blood flow. Choose a safe word and signals that work even if you can't speak. Use implements designed for impact play rather than household objects. They distribute force more predictably and reduce the chance of unintended injury. And a quick self-check. If you've had testicular surgery, hernia repairs, or conditions like a hydrocele or varicocele, talk to a healthcare provider first because your threshold and level of risk may be different. And speaking of risks, there is a serious risk of injury with high force play. Blunt trauma from stomping or striking or keeping the testicles too bound too tightly for too long can cause testicular damage and by disrupting blood flow or injuring the tissue. And if you notice bleeding, severe swelling, sudden color changes, loss of sensation, nausea, vomiting, or numbness afterwards, that is your cue to stop and seek medical attention. So, have fun, stay curious, and keep your jingle bells jingling safely. And a festive shout out to my Patreon members with an extra holiday hug